Hi, this is Phil Hegg, Executive Recruiter with Hegg Executive Solutions. Just want to reach out to my network in the automotive manufacturing arena to introduce you to a great talent, somebody I recently recruited, a 20-year veteran of the automotive industry who is strong in senior level management. He's big in continuous improvement. He's done a lot with lean manufacturing, both in implementation and transformation. And he's been a turnaround specialist in the industry as well. I'd like you to say hi to Becker Wahbeh. Hey, Becker.
Hi, Phil. How are you today?
I'm doing wonderful. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Awesome. I thank you for joining me here today. I've talked to you recently on your background, and I think that you are going to be a valuable asset to the right company out here.
I hope so.
Wonderful. Do me a favor. Tell me about some of your previous history and some of the positions you've had in the past.
Well, Phil, I started my career as a mechanical engineer with a Japanese company responsible for product design and development. I did a lot of product launches for the organization. The specialty was in aluminum castings with machining and finishing operations. While I was working with Inke, I grew into engineering management roles and took on quality management roles and pursued an MBA from Indiana University. Once I accomplished that, I moved into manufacturing operations and started to implement lean transformation, continuous improvements, and I discovered my passion for problem solving and continuous improvements and team development and team building. While in that role, I grew to become a director of operation for 4 plants with about $200 million in revenue and 800 employees. I also worked for Forcia Exhaust Systems, managing and turning around a 900 employee facility that was union with about $500 million in revenue. I also worked with a manufacturer of airbag inflators that needed a turnaround specialist to come in and improve the operations. I was able to, with the help of the team on site, also by bringing on new talent, I was able to turn around the operation in the magnitude of $20 million, over $300 million in sales.
Nice.
In 14 months.
That's awesome.
My most recent experience was a global director of operation for a Chinese company who built magnesium products with 7 plants globally spread over North America, Europe, and Asia. Was heavily focused on continuous improvements and maintenance improvements for across the board.
Wonderful. So you've got global background, multi-plant, as well as single plant.
As well as multicultural operations and organizations.
That's awesome. Tell me, is there anything you'd like to see in your next opportunity?
I think, Phil, I'm competent in managing single sites and multiple sites. But I believe for the right organization, I am more effective in multiple sites where I can use a lot of the benchmarking and lessons learned and continuous improvements across the board on multiple locations rather than a single location.
That is great. Geographically, is there any areas that you're really looking to get to?
Really, location is not key to me. What is key for me is the organization, its culture, its vision for the future, and the leadership team that is on site or that is leading this organization, and how collaborative they are to achieve those strategic goals.
Awesome. That sounds incredible. I am looking forward to introducing Becker to the industry. I think he's going to be a valuable asset to the right company. And he's like we said, he's a turnaround specialist. He's big in continuous improvement, lean manufacturing. And if you're looking for somebody who can take your company and make it more profitable, I'd love to introduce you and have you talk to Becker Wahbeh. If you're interested, please give me a call. Again, my name is Phil Hegg. That's H-E-G-G. My phone number is 269-985-4000. Again, that's 269-985-4000. And My email address is Phil with one L, PHIL, at heggexecutive.com. And that's HEGGEXECUTIVE.com. Or you can reach out to me here on LinkedIn as well. Again, Becker, I appreciate you meeting with me today and allowing me to introduce you to my network.
I'm very grateful for what you're doing, Phil, and I appreciate your time.
Thank you. And again, if you're interested in meeting somebody special for the automotive industry, give me a call. I'd love to introduce you to Becker. Becker, you have a wonderful day. And again, thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Phil. Have a great evening.
You too. Take care. Bye.